What is the role of a DUI attorney in your DUI case? That is a great question. There are a number of moving parts in a DUI case, and it's one of the only criminal cases where there is both an administrative proceeding, perhaps, as well as a criminal case. So everyone knows about the criminal side of things. You get handcuffed, taken to the jail after your DUI case. That part really sucks. And that's the natural thing people are thinking of. But oftentimes, there's also an administrative action against your driver's license in the case of a DUI arrest, and that has strict timelines. You got to do stuff within 30 days, so it's very important you talk to a lawyer sooner rather than later. In a DUI case, perhaps more than any other kind of case, okay? So the lawyer is going to help you with that administrative case as well as the criminal case, and as well as how they interact with each other. Because the criminal case can impact your driver's license from an administrative standpoint. A DUI conviction, although maybe a condition of your probation, is not that you can't drive. It may trigger the Department of Driver Services, a government administration agency of types, to suspend your license. So you got to make sure your lawyer is talking to you about what DDS is going to do, Department of Driver Services, if there's a DUI conviction. They also need to talk to you about your administrative case. What are your options as far as filing an ALS appeal, administrative license suspension appeal, as far as an ignition interlock device permit application? What are those options? How are those options going to affect your ability to fight the criminal case? Because it can. Sometimes what you do in the administrative court can affect your right or your legitimate options, if you will, in the criminal case. Sometimes, if you agree to something in the administrative case, back out of it, that could be used against you in the criminal case. Very complicated, a lot of moving parts. Your lawyer is going to help you with the administrative side of things, the criminal side of things, evidentiary things, identifying if there's any motions, plea negotiations if it comes to that, or in the ultimate kind of Super Bowl of criminal defense, trying your case to a jury trial and defending your innocence and letting that jury know that there is not proof beyond reasonable doubt that you committed that DUI. If you have questions about your DUI, please call us at 470-635-1725.